What are you girls doing?
Let's take a picture just me.
It's a video, Sophie. I'm taking a video of you and the little baby. Alex, can you say Gabby? Oh, you want a picture with Bella? It's a video. Can you say hi?
Hey.
Hi. Hola.
Look at me, Gabby. Gabby, take a picture.
I see. Sophie, it's a video, okay? So I'm recording everything you're doing. Are you there? Yes, Alex? Why are you whining, baby? Mwah.
Actually, it's not a video.
Yes, it is. What do you have inside there?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Yes, look. Baby Alex. Hi. Can you say Gabby?
I think the girls are going to watch spelling the B.
Alex, can you say Gabby?
Abby.
Yay! Can you say thank you? Good job. Alex, what is the sound of the horse? Nee. And the cat?
Ooh.
What?
Meow.
The cat, Alex?
Meow.
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 Yes. You love your sister, Sophie?
I love the plant.
And I love you.
And I love the house. And I love the table.
You love everything that is in your house.
I love the couch.
What are you doing, baby Alex?
And
Alex, where is your belly button? Where is it? Alex, show me your head, your hands, your eyes, your nose, ears, foot. Yay! Bravo. Can I have kisses, baby Alex? Can I have kisses? Mwah. I love you. I love you. Say bye.
Bye.